was the result of some international development also and national development also, local development also. I told you that this was the result of a conflict between English company and the French company. And England and France, they were fighting in Europe also. There was a fight for supremacy between England and France in 18th century. They were always fighting anywhere. Suppose Austria, related to the succession of Maria Theresa, there was an Austrian war of succession. So they started fighting. Who? England and France. So England and France, they were fighting in Europe also. They were fighting in America also. They were fighting in India also. Is it okay? Carnatic War is complex because it is related to some international development also and national development also. There were three Carnatic War, number 1, number 2 and number 3. First Carnatic War was related to international development. Third Carnatic War was related to international development. But second Carnatic War was related to local development, local issue. Is it fine? Simple. I told you there were three Carnatic War. First Carnatic War was related to international event. One issue developed in Europe, Austrian War of Succession, and because of that, they started fighting here also. So first Carnatic War because of international development. Second Carnatic War because of local development. And third Carnatic War again a European issue, 7-year war, and that influenced India also. So Carnatic War was actually the result of conflict between England and the French company. Now, what exactly happened? Try to understand. When Austrian War of Succession started in Europe, when Austrian War of Succession started in Europe, in India, right, in India also, right, influence of this conflict, and English East India Company, in India what happened, English East India Company captured a French ship. A French ship. Now you tell me, French will retaliate or not? I told you how issue started. Austrian War of Succession. There was a conflict between England and France. And therefore, in India, East India Company captured one French ship. So French retaliated and captured Madras, one of the factory of East India Company. And when Madras was captured, East India Company complained this to Nawab of Carnatic Anwaruddin. Carnatic Nawab, right, East India Company complained to Nawab of Carnatic. And Nawab of Carnatic ordered the French force, right, you cannot do it. But French, they were not ready to accept this order. So there was a war between Nawab, Carnatic Nawab and the French forces. And in this war, French forces defeated Carnatic Nawab. Who was the hero? Dupleix. So who dominated? French. But there was a treaty in Europe, and because of this treaty, there was an order that no, Dupleix, you should not capture Madras, you should restore Madras to the English company. So Dupleix dominated, but he had to return Madras. So first Carnatic War ended. So first Carnatic War from 1746 to 1748. Again I am saying, just try to understand it. How Carnatic War started? Number 1 point. You are not writing, just try to understand it. How Carnatic War? I said Austrian War of Succession started in Europe. How Austrian War of Succession influenced India? Because of Austrian War of Succession, English East India Company captured French ship. Step 2. After that, French retaliated, Dupleix retaliated. How? By capturing Madras. When Dupleix captured Madras, East India Company, see how smart they are. They are complaining to the Carnatic Nawab. Bacha lijiye. Carnatic Nawab, because this area, this fort, Madras, was, you can say, in their area, Carnatic Nawab realized that yes, I am Nawab, I have to protect them. So Carnatic Nawab interfered, and Carnatic Nawab told French forces not to do this. So there was a war between Carnatic Nawab and the French. And in this war, a small French force defeated a large force of Carnatic Nawab, Battle of Saint-Thome. So who dominated? French. But there was a treaty in Europe. And after that treaty, French had to return Madras to the East India Company. So who dominated in the first Carnatic War? Sangeet. Who dominated the first Carnatic War? Dupleix, French. But what was the result of the first Carnatic War? It resulted into a treaty, and Dupleix had to return everything to the British. Are you getting my point? First Carnatic War, because of Austrian War of Succession. Who dominated first Carnatic War? Dupleix, French, Governor General of French, Dupleix. But there was a treaty, and because of that treaty, Dupleix had to surrender. Dupleix had to restore. So, first Carnatic War, 1746 to 1748. It started with Austrian War of Succession. Austrian War of Succession. And it ended with a treaty. It ended with a treaty. What you call Treaty of Aix-la-Chapelle. Aix-la-Chapelle. Sweetie, Ayush, Chidanand, I hope you all are getting first Carnatic War. How first Carnatic War? Immediate cause, they will ask you, what was the real cause of first Carnatic War? Austrian War of Succession. What was the first development in India? Because of Austrian War of Succession, conflict started. Because of that conflict, East India Company captured a French ship. Who was not happy? French. They retaliated. French captured Madras. East India Company disturbed. But East India Company is not challenging French company. They are complaining it to the Carnatic Nawab. Why Carnatic Nawab? Because this area came under Carnatic. I hope you are getting that. So there was a fight between Carnatic Nawab and the French forces. And try to understand this fight, this battle is very important. Why this battle is very important? Because a small European force, French force, defeated Indian force. Carnatic Nawab was defeated. Dupleix started dominating, but unfortunately for Dupleix, there was a treaty in Europe, because Austrian War of Succession was going on in Europe, what you call Aix-la-Chapelle. And under that treaty, there was instruction given to the Dupleix by the French authorities that you have to restore everything to the British and there should be a peace. This treaty was Aix-la-Chapelle treaty. And under that treaty, there should be a peace, right? We should not capture anything, right, from India, from, you can say, the British authority. Why French agreed to the treaty? Because in Europe, this treaty, because both the party, they accepted it, but in India, Dupleix dominated. So it was a bad luck for Dupleix. Mobina, are you getting it? No, Carnatic is not modern Karnataka. Carnatic, you will see that, right, in your map, if you can see, right, in your map, right, suppose this area is Carnatic, right, this is the Nizam area, this area is Carnatic, and here you have Madras, here you have Pondicherry, right, and here you have Mysore. Are you getting first Carnatic War, you all? Then we have to write. Once you are getting all this, then we have to write. Onkar, are you getting it? Where is Carnatic? Here Mysore, here Nizam territory, and this area is Carnatic. It was under Nizam first, but under Sadatullah Khan it became independent. Yes, Maria, this is the problem. This is the big analysis. How could a small French force win over a huge Indian force? Because of their technology, because of their organization. This was the game changer. Europeans came to know about it, that a small trained army can challenge big force. Yes, Ridhima, are you getting it? First Carnatic War. So, in the first Carnatic War, 1746 to 48, Dupleix had to return everything. You all are getting it. Dupleix had to return everything, but who dominated? French dominated. Dupleix dominated. Dupleix made their presence felt. I hope you are getting it. But after the Treaty of Aix-la-Chapelle, conclusion of war between Great Britain and France, and Madras, right, was returned. Now, who is not happy? Dipti, now you tell me, Arman, who is not happy? Dupleix is not happy. Dupleix wanted to establish his supremacy. He was not satisfied with this outcome. Dupleix wanted to dominate. He was not happy. And he wanted, right, an opportunity. He wanted an opportunity to interfere in the politics of Carnatic and in the policies of, you can say, Hyderabad. Dupleix wanted to establish his supremacy in South India. Right? So, Bijendra, this is interesting that Britain, right, not helping Carnatic. They wanted to test their strength. They are very smart, I told you. They were very smart. Now try to understand, we are now discussing Second Carnatic War. And I told you, Second Carnatic War from 1749 to 54. Now try to concentrate on Second Carnatic War.